Hi Sonam.
Hi.
Thank you so much for being a part of Zoom's 10th anniversary.
Not at all. My pleasure. I'm always a part of Zoom some
You've always been a part of us, yeah. Okay, so we're calling this a terrific 10.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you 10 questions.
Okay.
And I want terrific answers, which you anyways always give. Aren't you tell you that?
Thank
All right, I'm going to rate you on that. So it's called 10 on 10.
Okay.
All right?
I hope I get like 20 on. Okay.
I'm quite sure you would. The first question. If you wake up one day and you have to go back 10 years, so you're 10 years from behind, what would you have done differently?
Gone to university.
Which is the one actress from the industry you envy and why?
Alia.
Really?
Yeah, because I think when I was her age, which is like just a couple of years back, I feel like in a lot of ways, the decisions she's taking are way smarter than what I did.
How would you rate yourself out of 10 as an actor?
Like a 5.
Come on, really?
Madhu,
Are we being modest here?
No, I'm not being modest.
Yeah.
I feel like as an actor, if I have to say like a 10 out of 10 is like a Meryl Streep.
How do you rate yourself on sex appeal?
I think because I'm very confident and like comfortable in my skin, I think I'm quite sexy.
Are they just easy? You're just easy being who you are.
Yeah, and I think so.
How do you rate yourself as a friend?
I think 11 on 10.
Awesome. Okay, now we're getting somewhere.
Yeah.
How do you rate yourself as a girlfriend?
10 on 10.
10 on 10. Oh God, that's 10 on 10.
No,
That's a high rating.
You know, actually, maybe that's too much, I guess. I'm just saying. Maybe an 8 on 10 because I don't have the time because I'm working so much.
Yeah.
So maybe an 8 on 10
So you're not
just because of the
focusing
time.
on a love life right now.
No,
That's what you mean.
No.
From the younger lot, Sonam, from the younger lot of girls and boys, who would you rate very high out of 10 on hotness quotient personality?
Deepika?
Deepika?
In terms of hotness,
yeah.
I think she's quite hot. Performance, in terms of, I think Parineeti Chopra and Alia is quite good as well.
Yeah.
You know, actually, I do prefer Anushka over everybody else.
Oh, wow. Actors in hotness quotient?
In terms of hotness, I think Fawad Khan. Yeah, he's really hot. And in terms of performance, I think it's a tie between Ranbir and Ranveer.
Ranveer Singh, okay.
Yeah.
Only 3 traits in a man, it's a total turn-off.
Unhygiene, like not hygiene, like someone's not a hygienic person, I think that's gross. Someone who doesn't know how to laugh at himself, and someone who's pompous.
Okay.
I don't like people who show off.
3 traits is a total turn-on in a man.
They need to be nice smelling.
Almost everybody has said that.
You know, they need to because men like tend to like be like pigs sometimes. Caring.
Caring.
And they need to be, I'm a feminist, but I like my men to be gentlemen.
Only one actress that your brother Arjun Kapoor looks the best with.
Alia.
Yeah. One actress you think he should go out with.
Jacqueline.
Yeah?
Yeah, she's my fan. Jacqueline Fernandez,
Yeah. One actor you don't mind going on a date with from Bollywood.
Seriously, I don't even look at them that way.
Really?
Do you see the expression on my face?
Yeah, I know. Come on. Nice, good-looking hot men out there, Sonam.
Do they have to be an actor?
No, okay, a director.
Well, I mean, I know Vikramaditya Motwani is married.
Yeah.
But I would love to go on a date with him.
So sweet. What is the strangest gossip or rumor you heard about yourself?
That I cut my endorsement fee.
Oh, really?
Yeah. No.
Recently?
I do endorsements so that I can make money.
not to make lesser money. Tell me one film in recent times that you wish you were a part of.
Queen.
And one of your films that you wish had turned out better.
Bewakoof, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
One criticism and one praise you'll never forget.
I smile too wide. Sanjay Bansari told me this. He's like, maybe you shouldn't smile as much. But when I did Delhi 6, Rakesh Mehra said that the best thing about me was my smile. So I realized that beauty is always in the eye of the beholder.
Right, yeah, that's interesting, yeah. One praise that you'll never forget.
I think it was Shekhar Kapoor, and he said that I was amazing in the as an actress, and he was so glad that someone like me came into the industry, and you know that it reminded him of the yesteryear actresses.
Thank you so much, and you were terrific as always.
Did I get like 20 on 10?
Yeah, you were like 9 on 10.
No, 10 on 10, Madhu.
9, you're like almost there.
Why?
We'll keep the challenge for next time. Next round, you'll make it 10 on 10, I'm sure.
For being cool and candid, Sonam gets a 9 on 10.